Well, unfortunately, I'm definitely getting rid of this thing. And it's not because this thing's completely foldable and has 2 different layers. And it's definitely not because it has 320 liters of space and a 440-pound weight limit capacity, meaning you can put literally anything you want in here. Like, it's actually so strong. No, it's not the cup holders or the spring-loaded handle that you never have to pick up again because it's spring-loaded. Definitely not the double-wide tires that can go over sticks, rocks, curbs, sidewalk cracks, even stairs with the locks on them as well. And you might think it's the second layer, but it's actually not, because you can easily open this and put whatever you want in here out of the way, keeping all your important stuff at arm's length right here on top. No, it's definitely not because it's made out of ripstop nylon, fully waterproof, super easy to clean up. And you would actually be wrong if you think that is because this makes it really easy to go to beach trips, vacations, carnivals, fairs, festivals. The reason is these sell out every single year, so I bought one really early at full price, and these just went on sale for the summer, so if you want to grab them for yourself, there should be a link down below. Well, unfortunately, I'm definitely getting rid of this thing. And it's not because this thing's